In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Discord stream fail to start. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the stream fail to start error on Discord is frequently tied to error code 2012 or a conflict. So what you want to do if you're on PC, Discord's advanced capture method often crashes with 2026 drivers. So what you want to do is go ahead and open up your Discord application, then go over to settings. Once you're in settings, go over to voice and video and then scroll down to the screen share section. Now, once you're in that area, all you want to go ahead and do, it's going to show a lot of different things here, but all you want to do is toggle off, use our advanced technology to capture your stream. So if you see it right here, it's going to say use our advanced technology. You want to go ahead and turn this off right here. Then restart Discord and then try your stream again, because sometimes it might just not be compatible with different things. Now, if your GPU is struggling to encode the video, the stream will fail to initialize as well. So what you want to go ahead and do is go over to your user settings again, and then you want to go over to advanced. Once you're in advanced, you're going to see a lot of different things here. But like, let's say I wanted to go onto Windows settings. When I find advanced, all I want to go ahead and do is turn off hardware acceleration mode, because that's going to slow things down a lot as well. And if you have a game overlay enabled, go ahead and turn that off as well, because that is, something that could also go ahead and cause bugs, which is obviously not something that you want. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.